What's going on, everybody? My name is John and welcome to my first FbCadCam tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how to install an FbCadCam application. First, go to our Google Chrome browser. In our Google Chrome browser URL, just type FbCadCam.com. Just once you see that, go to download and click FbCadCam underscore 2017 underscore 10 underscore 18.zip. Click it and it is start to download. So it takes a few minutes to complete, so just wait a minute. Okay, once you download the FbCadCam application, just go to your library and then click download and then click compressed. So as you can see, the FbCadCam, this is the zip file that you are downloaded in FbCadCam.com. So you need to extract it. Before you install the program, you just click this file. So it is the guide text note at the bin. So we're gonna follow that just by clicking the GTK bundle, then go to bin and then click the FbCadCam 2017-10-18 application. And also you can set it to desktop to create a shortcut so that you can open it on under the desktop. So click the FbCadCam, double click it, and you're good to go. You can use the FbCadCam application. And that's it for today's video. I showed you how to install and download the FbCadCam application. So I'll see you in the next tutorial. Peace.